Before joining, most business owners have similar questions. This video answers the most common ones. Do I need to be good with technology? No. If you can use email and basic software, you can use this. The system is designed to be simple and practical. How much time does it take to use properly? Most users start with short focused sessions and build from there. Even 30 minutes used well can create meaningful progress. Will this replace coaching? No, it supports coaching. It strengthens thinking, reinforces structure, and helps you apply what you are learning more effectively. Can I use this alongside my existing systems? Yes, many businesses integrate it with their current documents, processes, and tools. It's designed to enhance what you already have, not force you to start again. What if my business is different? Every business is different. That's why the assistant adapts to your inputs and your context. It's not a one-size-fits-all template system. What if I join and decide it's not for me? That's why there's a 14-day money-back guarantee and the option to cancel at any time. You are not locked in. Most hesitation comes from uncertainty. The purpose of these videos is to remove that uncertainty so you can make a clear and confident decision. If you want greater clarity, stronger systems, and a business that runs with less reliance on you, the Landscape Business AI Assistant is designed to support that journey.